Good evening and welcome to Bedtime Stories with Lana. I'm Lana and I'm so happy to have you here tonight. Welcome to Bedtime Sleep Stories, where gentle tales soothe your soul after a long day when life feels heavy. Let this moment bring you peace. Tonight, we journey into the I Ching, Zhun Potential, Zhuan, a story of quiet growth, crafted for grown-ups seeking calm. The rain falls soft and steady, washing away your worries. These ancient words will guide you to a still place within. Breathe deeply now. Let the tension fade. Feel your mind ease and let the night unfold like a warm embrace. Tonight, we step away from the rush, the endless hum of daily life, the chatter that fills your mind, and enter a space of stillness, a sanctuary carved just for you. These words from the I Ching, Zhuan or Zhun, meaning potential, glow like lanterns in the dusk, lighting your way to calm. After a long day, when your shoulders ache from work, when your thoughts spin with bills, kids grown and gone, or the quiet worries about downsizing your home, let these reflections cradle you. The rain falls now, a soothing rhythm, blending with your breath like a lullaby from the earth. Listen closely, feel it wrap around you, soft, steady, and drift as we begin this gentle journey. Let the world fade, its noise, its demands, and come with me into peace where the night holds you close. For those of us in midlife, with years stacked behind us, careers built, kids raised, Zhun whispers a truth. After decades of pushing, late nights at the office, early mornings with coffee, the quiet worries about health, this is your moment to rest, to renew. The rain knows your story. It's fall a friend who's seen the empty bedrooms, the shift to quieter days, the dreams of retirement or coffee with old friends. Maybe you're sorting through old photos, letting go of the house you raised your family in, wondering if the grandkids will visit soon. Breathe in, let it settle. Breathe out, let the day slip away. You'll wake refreshed, ready for tomorrow. Take a slow breath. Feel the rain on your skin, washing away the edges of your day, softening every tight spot, easing the tension you carry. In the I Ching, Zhun, Zhuan, begins with a seed buried deep, waiting beneath the earth, patient and small. The rain taps lightly, inviting you to pause, to listen, to let these ancient words sink into your heart like a warm hearth glowing steady against the night, a beacon of calm, casting a soft light over your weary soul. In the midst of chaos, it says, there is growth. Picture it now, a quiet evening after a long meeting that stretched past dusk, kids calling from college with updates, the storm of midlife swirling around you. Things feel stuck, uncertain, like roots pushing under heavy soil. Maybe it's the clutter of downsizing, the boxes you've yet to sort, or the emails stacking up unanswered. Yet, within that struggle, calm rises. The rain echoes it, a gentle hum, blending with your breath, calling you to peace, like an old oak in your yard, roots deep and strong, standing through every season, its branches swaying in the breeze. Perseverance furrows the field, the I Ching teaches, and potential unfolds. Feel that spark, a flicker of hope for the small battles that fill your days. After a long day, let it rise, warm like starlight piercing the dark. The rain washes over you, cleansing the weariness. Think of the tension in your neck, the weight of the week piling up. Let them soften, let them go, like autumn leaves falling, carried away by a cool breeze. Peace, a release, not a fight. Breathe out. Feel the strain drift away, like petals on a stream, slipping into the distance. You'll wake steady, clear, ready for what's next. Breathe in, slow and deep. Let the rain settle around you like a cozy quilt closing out the day, wrapping you in its warmth. Zhun speaks of waiting, not with impatience, but with purpose, a quiet strength building beneath the surface. The rain whispers, a rhythm to lean into, a gentle guide through the dusk, like a river flowing past your porch, steady and sure, its waters rippling under the evening sky. Wait until the time is right, the I Ching murmurs, and strength gathers. Think of your own moments, the rush of a hard day you can't slow, the doctor's call looming on your calendar, bills stacking up in the drawer, They're not yours to force. They pass and you remain. The rain softens them like a friend's touch, tender like a breeze rustling through the pines, whispering patience. Maybe it's waiting for grandkids to visit, planning that trip you've dreamed of for years. Stillness builds the root, it continues, and potential grows unseen. A late shift at work, a quiet coffee with friends on a Sunday, small acts amid the waiting. They're what matter, not the noise. Let them drift now, gentle as the silence falls, filling your mind with calm, lifting the heaviness. Imagine a pumpkin spice candle, its glow steady, lighting your way home. A beacon through the fog, patience shapes power. After a long day, let it go. Feel the calm settle, deep, steady, wrapping you in peace. Tonight, as the night grows still, as the rain hums its tune, you've carried enough. Now rest. Picture yourself free of rush, just being alive again. You'll wake whole, smiling for family. Pause here. Let your breath deepen. The rain, a gentle companion, falling soft, steady, like a friend beside you. Zhun sees fog over the land, a path unclear yet ripe with promise, waiting to unfold. The breeze whispers, loosening what binds, easing what holds, like a soft wind through an open window, carrying the scent of rain, brushing against your curtains. When the way is hidden, the I Ching says, trust the seed within. After a day of demands, schedules pressing like walls, doubts tugging at your name, feel them fade. A new beginning, a quiet shift. They're not yours to see yet. They're yours to trust. The silence falls, forgiving, like a sigh across the plains, a whisper of hope. Maybe it's the fog of retirement, wondering what's next, or sorting through old letters. Clarity comes through fog. Zhun urges, if you hold steady, peace is a choice, a breath, a turning inward. After a long day, let go of what clouds your mind. Picture it now, drifting away with the breeze, like smoke in the wind, like leaves on the river. Feel your shoulders lighten, your mind ease, a golden sunset painting the sky. Think of a grandchild's laugh, fading but sweet, a memory that lingers. The night opens free, calm, a quiet space just for you to rest, to be. Think of the years, the plans you held now dust. What need have I? The I Ching asks of more than this. You'll wake refreshed, strong for the morning bustle. Picture a dawn drive, the road clear. Breathe in freedom, breathe out calm. Breathe slowly now. Let the rain ease your shoulders where the day's weight sits, heavy, tight, like a knot. Zhun tends a fragile sprout. Nurture what is small. It teaches and it grows strong. The silence hums, a soothing backdrop like a fire crackling low, warming the quiet, a pumpkin spice candle flickering nearby. Think of your days, the tasks that fill them, the hours given, the patience worn thin. An email after hours, a call from a grandchild, small steps root deep. The I Ching says, and strength endures. What if each effort, every quiet wait, built something real, something now? The mist softens it, like a warm hearth glowing, smoothing edges, like a hand on your brow. Maybe it's tending a garden again, planting seeds for spring, watching them peek through the soil. Care for the beginning, Zhun whispers, and peace lies ahead. Let this sink in. Your hands, your time, they craft something true, not for haste, but for growth. Release the strain now, let it flow away with the mist. Imagine a crowd's rush, fading across the plains. It's gone. Rest here, in this gentle truth, the moment, a quiet gift for your night, to hold, to cherish. You're enough as you are, like a spark of youth rekindled. Picture a garden you once tended, its blooms fleeting yet whole. That's life, growing slow. Why rush what ripens? The I Ching asks, when peace is here, the night holds you like an old rocking chair, whispering rest. You'll rise tomorrow, clear, calm, ready to face the day. Breathe in, feel the stillness. Breathe out, let it stay. Let your breath flow, easy, calm. the rain a steady pulse like a heartbeat, soft, constant. Zhun meets stone. Obstacles test the root, it says, and strengthen it. The breeze blends all like a river through hills, flowing gently, carrying whispers of calm. Push through with care, the I Ching urges. Potential rises. A good day's warmth, a tough day's ache. The creak in your knees. They're yours, part of you, like threads in a quilt, stitched by time. Feel them soften as silence wraps you. After a long day, let them rest, like a tune you hum. Maybe it's the ache of moving boxes, sorting through decades, letting go of old keepsakes. Strength bends, but holds. Zhun promises. The rush of youth. Kids moving out, meet here. Breathe in. Let silence balance them. Peace carries you into the night. Imagine a sycamore rooted deep. That's you, standing tall. The night holds you like a porch swings creak. Safe, still, stand firm, it says, and find rest. You'll wake renewed, smiling at dawn. Picture a cozy quilt, its warmth around you. Breathe in unity, breathe out calm. Breathe in the night. Let the rain guide you, slow, like waves on a lake, lapping gently. June flows with seasons, align with the earth, it says, and potential blooms. The breeze hums like an old radio, fading soft, a melody of peace. Nature moves sure, the I Ching says, and waits for no one. After rushing, worrying, let it pause. Yesterday's steps, tomorrow's plans, they fade to calm. The silence carries them like dust on the wind. Go with the current, be here. Peace settles like a cozy quilt. Picture a river, cares drifting away. Maybe it's a walk in the park. Leaves crunching underfoot, the air crisp and cool. The rain soothes it, years behind, years ahead, part of you, like ripples on water. Think of a golden sunset, its glow warms you, a moment to hold. You'll wake steady, ready for coffee with friends. The night cradles you like an old oak, its branches wide, sheltering you. Breathe in stillness, breathe out calm. Let silence fall, a tender curtain, one final whisper, soft, fleeting, like a sigh. Zhun ends with faith. Trust the unseen path. The I Ching says, and you are whole. The breeze hums, a gentle farewell, like a whisper over fields, rustling the grass. Hold to your root, it murmurs, and obstacles fade. After a day's wait, let worries drift. Like stars at dawn, the silence falls, calling you to rest. Growth is yours, Zhun promises. In quiet, sleep calls, silence answers, guiding you into night's arms where rest awaits. Maybe it's trusting tomorrow, a new chapter unfolding, the lighter load ahead. Let thoughts quiet, heart rest. Imagine a hill, wind soft, a pumpkin spice candle flickering. The day fades like echoes in a valley. The night wraps you, warm, safe. Think of downsizing your home, sorting old photos. You'll wake refreshed, energy for tomorrow, ready for family. Breathe in calm, breathe out peace. And with that, tonight's story comes to an end. I hope you've had a peaceful and relaxing time. If you're still awake and would like to hear another story, visit Bedtime Stories with Lana, where dreams are nurtured through the gentlest of tales. Thank you for listening. Now let yourself relax. Close your eyes and let beautiful dreams guide you into a peaceful night. I'm Lana, and I'll see you again in the next story.